usually when I have to follow a recipe, I need to look it up on Google, put my phone aside, and keep checking on everything. And it would get pretty stressful. But the useful semi was that the recipe would be right over here, like right next to my stove. I wouldn't have to lift it up, and it's easy to follow, and also it's easy for beginners to not get stressed out with it.
The burn protection and all that is also good.
The main thing is that burn control. It's giving you prompt whenever the heat is more.
I really like the weight measurement thing also.
And also the one which has you measure the food you have on, and also because a lot of the recipes online at least they have like this many grams or this many things you need to use. You need to buy like an entire measuring like a weight thing to measure those ingredients and do it. And I feel like semi combats that. And also the timers on it, you have to set up a timer on your phone, like wait for it to ring, and then so it's sick.
And the fact that we could pause the timer and move around was very comfortable, because you can't do that with the traditional stoves, because you either have to turn it off and then move around, but now you can just put it on a pause and move around.